So Mukul Rohtgi will be representing Aryan Khan today in the Bombay High Court. Short time from a while. The bail hearing of Aryan Khan will begin in Bombay High Court. The case number right now is 57. We'll have to wait and see that exactly what time the judge starts hearing the bail application with Mukul Rohtgi present himself in the Bombay High Court. But before that, India Today has exclusively accessed Aryan Khan's drug chats with actor Ananya Panday and friends, including some star kids. Aryan has been found talking about bulk buying of narcotic substances in its chats with Achit Kumar, an alleged drug peddler. Achit's bail hearing is also going to be there in the Mumbai Sessions Court, that is NDPS court today. The chat indicates that Aryan ordered weed worth rupees 80,000 rupees from Achit Kumar for consumption with friends. India Today is the only channel to have accessed these explosive drug chats. In one of the chats, dated 2019, that is 2 years back, Aryan inquires about weed and says he will take it from Ananya in secret. Ananya in response to that says it's in demand. In the second chat, India Today has accessed Ananya saying that she is in the business during discussion on the drugs. Aryan asks Ananya if she has brought weed, to which she replies saying he is getting it. The third chat is a group chat where Aryan is talking to two of his friends earlier this year, that is in month of April. Aryan is seen saying, "Let's do cocaine tomorrow," and jokingly adds that he's going to get his friends caught by NCB. And actually, it became true when he, along with his friend, reached to this cruise, and then he was arrested finally. Divyesh Singh joins us from Narcotics Control Bureau and Mustafa Sheikh from the Bombay High Court, where the hearing on the bail application will begin soon. But before that, Divyesh, the explosive revealing chats, I was expecting that there will be some kind of counter attack from Narcotics Control Bureau, and this is what we are seeing at this point of time, that the chats which they were till now showing it to the judges in the court now have been released to the media. India Today has accessed it exclusively, and the chat reveals the chats on the basis of which the bail is being denied to Aryan Khan in Magistrate Court as well as the Sessions Court. How it is going to impact the Bombay High Court hearing today? What do you think?
Well, Sahil, these chats that have come to light now just before the hearing begins at the Bombay High Court regarding bail application of Aryan Khan, these chats do indicate that there was communication regarding procurement of drugs, there was communication regarding consumption of drugs, and here they are talking about a variety of drugs, and that is why Ananya Panday, remember, she has been grilled twice by the Narcotics Control Bureau. As of now, she was called yesterday also, but somehow the summons were cancelled due to some other reasons, and now she could be called again. Whenever NCB officials find time, they'll call her again, they'll grill her again regarding these WhatsApp chats. She's already faced NCB officials for over 6 hours, and whatever she has revealed has been taken on record, but her detailed statement as per NCB officials is yet to be recorded. And remember, once these statements are recorded on basis of the WhatsApp chats, which are supporting evidence, and these statements that they give to the agency could be used in front of the court. It was expected that Ananya Panday's, whatever details Ananya Panday has revealed regarding the chats, regarding the communication that she has had with Aryan Khan, would be shown in front of the Bombay High Court, as NCB did at the NDPS court at the Sessions
Divyesh
Court.
Singh, hold on for a moment, because I want to ask you with respect to Riya Chakravarti case as well. I remember the chats were similar in nature. Riya Chakravarti was asking somebody to procure drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. Here what we are seeing is that the chats actually indicates, I mean, we are not going to come to any kind of a conclusion, but the kind of chats which has been leaked right now clearly shows that Aryan Khan was asking Ananya Panday to get some drugs, and Ananya Panday is promising him that she is getting it. Is it the similar in nature? And Riya Chakravarti was arrested on the basis of the chats. There was nothing recovery from Riya Chakravarti, but only on the basis of the chats, Riya Chakravarti was arrested, and she was shown that she was part of the business. She was doing business of narcotics, and here the chats also indicates the same. So you think that a similar action might be taken by Narcotics Control Bureau?
Yeah, well, Sahil, it seems like the Narcotics Control Bureau is using the same operating procedure as they used in the Riya Chakravarti case, in the Sushant Singh Rajput drug case, where they earlier, the first thing that they relied upon, the case investigation began only on basis of the WhatsApp chats. Remember, Enforcement Directorate was conducting investigation into the financial allegations that she had allegedly usurped or siphoned off 15 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput's account. Nothing was of that sort was found, but they did find communication regarding drugs in her WhatsApp chats, and that is where ED gave this disclosure to the Narcotics Control Bureau, which is a drug law enforcement agency.
As Divyesh is mentioning, the operation system is the same. The Narcotics Control Bureau is using the same modus operandi to investigate this case as well. But let me tell my viewers that when Riya Chakravarti got the bail, the section 27A against Riya Chakravarti, which said that Riya Chakravarti was involved in the business, was scrapped by the court, saying that the WhatsApp chats merely cannot indicate that she was part of that. She was merely asking somebody to procure it for Sushant Singh Rajput. That's another matter, because finally it will come to the trial, and in Riya Chakravarti's case, even after 6 months, the trial is yet to begin. But Mustafa is joined with me at this point of time. Mustafa, Mukul Rohatgi, the bigwigs are going to be there in the High Court today. Aryan Khan is expecting any positive news from the court today?
Well, what we are getting to hear from Vidya, who's inside the High Court, is that the board is moving, not moving very fast, and hence it could be lunch or post-lunch by the time Aryan Khan's bail hearing comes up. And also, maybe it will require Satish Mane Shinde to stand up and mention the matter at the High Court so that it can taken up before other matters, because it was listed at about 50 to 70 cases. So these are things which we are hearing. We are at any time the senior counsel from Delhi Supreme, which practice in Supreme Court, Mukul Rohatgi, can come here, because it's a physical hearing. He will come here at Bombay High Court. But at the same point of time, what will be important for the defense lawyers would be what is NCB's reply to oppose the bail of Aryan Khan, because the WhatsApp chats which we are discussing is something which they have mentioned to the Sessions Court, and on that ground the Sessions Court had rejected the bail. But at the same time, whether they have got any new evidence from Anandya Pandey's statements, that would be a crucial ground to convince the High Court to reject the bail. At the same point, they'll have to also convince whether how these new revelations are affecting Aryan Khan's presence in Arthur Road jail, and whether he comes out, whether can he influence.
File the reply. Just for the update's sake, has the NCB filed the reply? Because the defense was expecting that the Narcotics Control Bureau will be coming up with a reply by morning.
Well, as of now, the NCB has not filed a reply. The defense lawyers are waiting for it. It could be that they will file anytime soon, or once the court is coming up, the serial number of the case is coming up for hearing. But as of now, the defense lawyers are waiting for the reply in High Court.
There is going to be a wait for Aryan Khan that his bail plea will be heard in the court or not. Mukul Rohatgi, another big wig, is going to represent him in the Bombay High Court today. It's been confirmed. Of course, Satish Mane Shinde, his lawyer, is also going to be there. But finally, everything will come down to these WhatsApp chats. And let's try and understand what is the evidence value of these WhatsApp chats. The NCB has arrested Aryan Khan over the drug-related WhatsApp chats. Originally, he was arrested along with Arbaz Merchant, and NCB claimed that he also procured the narcotic substances, and also he purchased the narcotic substances because it was recovered from the person who was accompanying him to the cruise party. After that, through his phone, they got these WhatsApp chats, and then they kept telling the court that these WhatsApp chats are revealing, and that is how they want to keep him in the custody. The NCB is heavily relying on Aryan Khan's WhatsApp chats, just as it did in the Riya Chakravarti case. The question which I asked Divyesh Singh as well. The Sessions Court judge, the NDPS judge, V.V. Patil, had said that Aryan's WhatsApp chats, prima facie, reveal that he is dealing in illicit drug activities. If you read the chats, we had just shown you these particular chats and the details. Everybody will believe that he is part of the drug racket. Of course, V.V. Patil also believed that it's an investigation stage, so there is a possibility. The Supreme Court has given two different observations, but on the admissibility of WhatsApp chats in the last 2 years. And what will now the Bombay High Court do about this is going to be the questions. Let's take a look at this.
The Narcotics Control Bureau is claiming WhatsApp chats as the clincher that links Aryan Khan to an international drug conspiracy. India Today has learnt that the NCB has presented Aryan's chats with an upcoming Bollywood actress. The chats are allegedly about the cruise party. Sources say that Aryan and the actress were discussing drugs in the chats. Apart from these chats, Aryan's alleged conversations with some drug peddlers have also been submitted by the NCB. NCB asked the Sessions Court to note WhatsApp chat between Aryan Khan and his friend and co-accused Arbaz Merchant, where they said that they are going to have a blast. Aryan's legal team has argued that while the lingo of today's generation could generate suspicion, having a blast could mean something totally different and therefore cannot be the basis for culpability or denial of bail. Judge V.V. Patil of the Mumbai Sessions Court clearly did not buy Aryan Khan's defense today as he rejected the Star Kids bail. The judge observed, WhatsApp chats prima facie reveal that accused number 1, Aryan Khan, is dealing in illicit drug activities of narcotic substances on regular basis. Therefore, it cannot be said that the accused number 1 is not likely to commit similar offence while on bail, and that incriminating material in form of WhatsApp chats show the nexus of accused number 1 with suppliers and peddlers. While NCB is relying heavily on the WhatsApp chats to implicate Shah Rukh Khan's son, the Supreme Court in January 2020 observed WhatsApp messages, which are verbal communications, are a matter of evidence with regard to their meaning and its content to be proved during the trial and cross-examination. However, in July this year, top court held that there is no evidential value to WhatsApp chats since anything can be created or deleted on social media. Just like the Riya Chakrabarti case, in Aryan's case too, WhatsApp chats have formed the Narcotics Control Bureau's probe. Do chats about having blast suggest illicit drug trafficking? Will these chats hold as evidence in the Bombay High Court now? Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, the defense lawyers, it seems, were expecting that there will be some kind of a counter from the Narcotics Control Bureau, especially after one of their own witnesses revealed such a sensational revelations that finally they had to call Samir Wankhede to Delhi, and he says that it's a review meeting. But let's now listen into lawyer Munmun Damecha's lawyer, who says that the WhatsApp chats are not admissible as evidence in the Supreme Court as per the Supreme Court guidelines, which we had just shown. Let's listen into what the lawyer had to say about this.
आज क्या एक्सपेक्ट है कोर्ट में, क्या एनसीबी रिप्लाई फाइल करेगी, क्योंकि आर्यन का है, उसके बाद अरबाज का काफी सीरियल नंबर बाद है, आपका काफी, तो क्या एक्सपेक्ट?
बिल्कुल, हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आज रिप्लाई फाइल होगा और हाई कोर्ट ने भी लास्ट टाइम डायरेक्शंस दिया था कि आप नेक्स्ट डेट पे जो आज की डेट है उस दिन पे रिप्लाई फाइल करने की पूरी कोशिश कीजिए। तो हम पूरी उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आज रिप्लाई फाइल होगा और रिप्लाई जैसे फाइल होगा हम उसको आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के लिए आज ही प्रेस करेंगे।
Bombay High Court now to hear Aryan Khan's bail plea in the cruise drug bust case, and as I was mentioning that Mukul Rohatgi will be joining Aryan Khan's team. He will be representing Aryan Khan today in the Bombay High Court, and it's going to be a big debate in the Bombay High Court over WhatsApp chats, because today morning India Today has revealed that what kind of WhatsApp chats Narcotics Control Bureau has, which on the basis of which the lower courts have denied bail to Aryan and others. Specifically, Ananya Pandey was called twice for questioning. She was supposed to come yesterday, but after a revelation by one of the witnesses, her questioning was called off, and now it's likely that she might be called on Wednesday. Now we'll have to wait and see that what exactly happens with respect to Ananya Pandey, because earlier also many people were called on the basis of WhatsApp chats. Some were arrested, some were let off. In most of the cases, nothing has moved forward yet, but we'll have to see what happens with Ananya Pandey. Let's go back to Divyesh Singh, who is at Narcotics Control Bureau. Divyesh, Samir Wankhede is in Delhi. Ananya Pandey was supposed to come yesterday. The chats now clearly shows that Ananya Pandey was discussing drugs with Aryan Khan. Whether she actually delivered or not, that evidence I think Narcotics Control Bureau will have to collect. Only on the basis of this, it will be difficult to proceed with the case. Now, what is they are expecting from Ananya Pandey? What had she told them in last 2 days? Because we heard that she said that she was merely joking with Aryan Khan and there was no drug dealing happened. What more they are expecting from Ananya Pandey? Will she be called again?
Sahil, Ananya Pandey was called for the third time to record her statement. She was called for questioning yesterday, but because of some reasons, NCB had to cancel those summons and she did not appear in front of the NCB yesterday. But earlier, on 2 occasions, she was questioned. She was grilled by the NCB officials for over 6 hours. On the first day, she was grilled for 2 hours, and on the second day, she was grilled for 4 hours by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials. Samir Wankhede from NCB himself questioned Ananya Pandey regarding the WhatsApp chat. She was confronted with the WhatsApp chats that have been retrieved from Aryan Khan's phone. These are the chats that you pointed out of 2019 and also of 2021. Those have been shown to Ananya Pandey, and on basis of that, she was being questioned. She was being grilled by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. As of now, what we've heard from our sources that her statement has not been completed. It is yet to be concluded, and once her statement is completed, that could be used as evidence against the accused, against Aryan Khan as well. Ananya Pandey, if her role comes to light, if some more details come to light regarding procurement and consumption, she could also face action by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Sahil.
Well, Duvesh, Justice N.W. Samre, he is going to hear the bail application. Aryan Khan's legal team had approached High Court after Mumbai Sessions Court rejected his bail plea, and the bail plea was rejected after the Narcotics Control Bureau, the Additional Solicitor General, showed these WhatsApp chats exclusively only to the judge, and the judge said that okay, the WhatsApp chat shows that the bail rejection order basically clearly mentions that prima facie the court believes that they are part of a drug racket, and that is the reason why Aryan Khan cannot be released on the bail. But today, Mukul Rohatgi is going to represent Aryan Khan in the Bombay High Court along with senior lawyers Amit Desai and Satish Mane Shinde. Let's see what Mukul Rohatgi had to say about this case when Aryan Khan's bail was rejected. Rajdeep Sardesai, our consulting editor, had spoken to him exclusively.
Mukul Rohatgi, former Attorney General, one of the country's leading lawyers, is joining me to make sense of this case for us. Mr. Rohatgi, when the bail plea was rejected yesterday, no recovery, no trail of dealings, no money exchange, no phone records with any convicted peddler, no past history, no past police records, no witnesses. So on the basis of what is being called conscious possession, the fact that one of his friends was allegedly, or Aryan's friends had drugs, Aryan doesn't get bail, and on the basis of WhatsApp chats. What do you make out of this case?
Rajdeep, you have made all the points which any lawyer will make in a court of law. As you said, no recovery, no consumption, no medical test, no past history, no other issue except so-called WhatsApp chat, which is the foundation of the order of the court. There is nothing else, and apart from WhatsApp chat, it talks about quote unquote involuntary confession. So a confession made to an enforcement officer is a very, very weak piece of evidence. And a WhatsApp chat is equally weak. A WhatsApp chat can be proved under special laws and special rules that will be in a trial. But as of today, we are only talking about bail. We are not talking about conviction or acquittal, mind you. So what do you see in bails? You see the nature of offense. Nature of offense is based on small quantity or commercial quantity. Here it is no quantity. It can be based on regular consumption. There is no proof of consumption. It can be based on past history. There is no past history. If this is the position and somebody has 4 grams of charas in his shoe, which may be a co-accused or whatever, there is no way that this offense can require a punishment of a year or more. where bail is to be for the asking, merely by putting sections which have more serious offences doesn't change the nature of the facts. So
No,
if these broad 4 or 5 facts are available on the table, then according to me, the equation only ends in bail and cannot end in jail.
Well, we are getting a breaking news. Finally, Narcotics Control Bureau has filed a reply to the bail application, and they have given this copy to the Aryan's legal team as well. So now we are expecting there will be an argument in the court, because everybody was expecting that Narcotics Control Bureau may take time to file the reply, but they have filed it today. Today the hearing was kept, and finally they have filed a reply. They were asking for some more time, but it looks like that they have filed a reply to the bail application of Aryan Khan. Let's go to Mustafa Sheikh. Mustafa, just a while back we were talking about this, and no reply was filed. But now that the reply is filed, you expect speedy hearing on the bail application by Aryan Khan's lawyers?
Yes, of course, it's a big development that the NCB has filed its reply in Aryan Khan's bail application. Of course, we have to go through exact grounds which have been mentioned to oppose the bail of Aryan Khan. At the same point of time, Mukul Rohatgi has to reach Bombay High Court for the hearing to start. But what we can say today, that if the matter is called out for Aryan Khan's bail today in High Court, the hearing will take place. The hearing will take place because the NCB has filed its reply. The defense lawyers can argue on the reply, and then the NCB lawyers, the ASG Anil Singh most probably will give the arguments from their side. So these are important development for the case, because what we are looking at is a Diwali vacation in a few days. So what we can say that if the hearing comes up today, it will be heard as the NCB has filed a reply which clears its way for the arguments to take place. We have to see how many what time it takes for the arguments from both the sides to get completed, and whether the matter is kept back or the order could be delivered today. But it's a big development that the NCB has filed reply. What will be important to go through it and find the grounds for the NCB to oppose Aryan Khan's bail. Back to you.
Well, this is going to be really important, because the bail hearing may begin after some time. Mukul Rohatgi will be reaching the court. Satish Mane and his team is already there in the Bombay High Court. He may need to mention it because the serial number as per the court case is 57, so it may come after the lunch break, but they need to rush it so that Aryan Khan, at least they can try to get Aryan Khan out on bail, because in the first week of November, the Diwali vacations will begin. Aryan Khan may need to spend his time in the Arthur Road jail if the bail hearing doesn't get over by then.